What if I told you that you can edit an entire video without touching your res? Whether you're a content creator, editor, or filmmaker, AI tools are changing the game. In this video, I'll show you 4 beginner-friendly AI tools that can help you edit faster, smarter, and even more creatively in 2025. Let's go. First up, Runway ML. Think of it as your AI-powered post-production assistant. You can remove backgrounds without green screen, add motion tracking, and even generate entire scenes from text. I personally use it to create AI-enhanced visuals for trailers and montages. Pictory is a dream if you're camera shy or on a deadline. You paste your script and it automatically creates videos using stock footage, captions, and even AI voiceovers. With Descript, video editing becomes as simple as editing a text document. If you're already using Premiere Pro, you've got powerful AI tools built in, like automatic transcription, color grading suggestions, and scene detection. So which tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one. And if you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. I'll be sharing more AI-powered editing tips every week.